Everyone, myself Smita Kosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 6th of September 2020 question. Question number 1. If I is equal to 1 to n summation xi minus a is equal to n and I is equal to 1 to n xi minus a whole square is equal to na, then the standard deviation of variable x is equal to what? This is the question in the house of statistics and it's a memory based question. At first, two summation is given here. So, we know the standard deviation SD is equal to under root of summation x I is equal to 1 to n. This term, taking this is the first term, so I is equal to 1 to n xi minus a whole square divide n minus putting the second term, and this one is summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus a, this divide n, this whole square. So now we know this is equal to na, so this one become na divide n minus this one is n square, so only n, sorry, this one is n by n whole square and it is under root. So this become root over n and n is cancelled off and n is cancelled off, so it become a minus 1. And this is our required answer. This is a simple statistics type question. So this is our required answer as the question asks the standard deviation of the variable x. So standard deviation of the variable x is equal to root over a minus 1, and we reached. Now some information about statistics. At first, when we study statistic, at first term in our book, that is mean. So what is the mean? Let's try to understand. Mean is a number of terms, that is, suppose x1 comma x2 comma dot 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 up to xn some observations, and this is some observations. So here we get mean is equal to x bar is equal to number of total observations. So we write down summation xi divide n. N is what? N is total number of observation and xi is the number of observations sum, that is summation. This formula is applied for discrete. This formula is applied for discrete data. This is applied for discrete data. But when we take the frequencies, as suppose it is xi is the number of observation and it is the frequency, that is fi is the frequency, it is frequency. When we take like this, so at let's suppose number of student who achieve 10 in examination, that is 2. So 2 is the frequency here, and number of the total marks the student achieve, that is 10. And when the student marks achieve 20 marks, that is number of students is 3. So their frequency is 3 and the achieved marks is 20. Then we calculate our mean, that is x bar is equal to summation of xi fi into fi divide summation of fi. When we take frequency wise mean, that is, then we calculate x bar is equal to summation of xi into fi divide summation of fi. So it is clear when what is discrete, when you take discrete data, this is one type of mean, and when you take frequency wise, this is another type of mean. Now move on the another word, that is median. What is median? So let's study. Median is, let's suppose x1 comma x2 comma dot 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 xn is the total observations here, which is arranged just ascending way. So if the series contain number odd term, then the middle one is single term, and this is called median. But when we take when the series contain the even number of terms, then we got two middle terms. So when we subtract these two terms, number one terms, number two terms, and dividing these two, then we get the median. So is it clear, everybody? Median, what is median? Now move on to mode. So it is mode. What is mode? Mode is, we know, everybody know that is a sequence type, that is, we form a table, and here is some frequencies, and here is some observations. So this is called the mode of the, when we study in elaborately, this is the mode table. Now there have some relationship between mean, median and mode, that is mean minus mode. Mean minus mode is equal to thrice of mean minus median. So this is the relation between mean, median and mode. Some problems if we calculate, this relationship is necessary for us. Now that is mean division. Another one is mean deviation. So mean deviation is what? Mean deviation is when we take summation for what? Taking mode, that is x bar minus xi, number of terms at xi, number of terms, whole observations, minus x, that is minus from x bar divide number of observations, that is called mean deviation. And another one is standard deviation. Standard deviation, that is called SD. And everybody know that is SD is standard deviation is denoted as sigma. So sigma is equal to under root xi minus x bar, that is whole square, divide n. So as we just break down the formula, then we get xi square minus plus x bar square minus 2xi into x bar divide n, that is under root. So x bar is what? Number of times of that is taking bar about number of observations. So here we get xi square minus plus n times of observations. So n into x bar square minus, it is 2 into xi into x bar divide n. So as we divide FD terms divided with n, then we get xi square summation n minus n into x bar square divide n minus 2 into x bar divide x summation xi by n, and there is under root. So here we get it is only it is cancelled off, and we know this one is x bar. This one is x bar we know. So root over we get root over summation xi square divide n minus x bar square minus 2x bar square. So that is plus, it is plus. So finally the SD become summation of xi square, means total number of observations squaring and then taking summation divide n total number of observation minus x bar square. So this is the final formula of SD, standard deviation. So here is some basic information about statistics, that is mean, median, mode, and some relationship, and mean deviation and standard deviation with problem with the solution of JEE main question. So here so any question, any query about this chapter and this solution, just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.